Hi and welcome to this channel. My name is Joseph and today I'll speak about lights of the aircraft. Specifically, I'll discuss navigational lights. So you could be wondering which light emits on the right, which light emits on the left. What is the left side of the aircraft called and what is the right side of the aircraft called? You could be wondering which light is emitted on the tail of the aircraft. So today I'll discuss all that. How about the captain? Where does he sit? The first officer, does he sit behind in the tail? Does he sit in the front? Left or right? All those questions will be answered today. So just pay your keen attention. First question, where does the first officer sit and where does the captain sit? This is where our captain sits. The left side of the aircraft is where our captain sits. And then our first officer sits on the right side of the aircraft. The left side of the aircraft is also called the port side. It's where our captain sits. The right side is also called the starboard side. It's also where our first officer sits. So that question is answered. How about the lights? The navigational lights. On the right, which is the starboard side, we have the green light. Green. And it emits at 110 degrees. So it covers 110 degrees on the right, which is the starboard side. Then on the left, we have the red light, which also emits at 110 degrees. It covers 110 degrees to the left. Then on the tail, we have our white light, and it covers 140 degrees, 70 and 70, making up to 140 degrees. So that is answer. So if we would summarize this, we'll have something like this. Starboard is the right side of the aircraft where the first officer sits, with the green light emitting at 110 degrees. That is done. So our first officer sits right here. The port side is the left side of the aircraft where the captain sits, and the red light emits at 110 degrees. So our captain sits right here. Don't forget, in the tail, we only have the white light and it emits at 140 degrees. It covers 140 degrees. The tail has the white light that covers 140 degrees, 70. Yeah, so in your exams, you could find these questions right there. You may find questions about these lights, about the ports and starboard side of the aircraft, or the navigational lights. So you need to be ready with these answers so you could master this secret. So thank you. I hope you understood everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. If there is anything that you haven't understood, don't hesitate to type down the question on the comment section. Thank you. We meet again in the next video.